Hey class, here we are going to learn about how to use spreadsheets to do repetitious calculations for us because we're lazy at the end of the day. So here I have position and time data, and I'm going to use it to find the change in position, the change in time, so I can solve for the velocity. Yay! How am I going to do that? Well, I'm going to hit equals. That tells the computer I'm going to give it an equation. Then I'm going to click on the first number minus the second number. So what I just did is I typed in an equation. It says delta x equals final minus initial, where the final is in A5 and the initial is in A4. Hit enter, done. And now I have to do that again and again and again and again and again, except again, I'm lazy. So I'm going to click on that equation. You can see it up there still. Put my cursor on the blue box so it turns to a black cross. Click and drag it down. If you see the dotted lines, that means you did it right. Let go, and it updates the equation for you. If you check up here, you can even see it. A5 minus A4, 6 minus 5, 7 minus 6, so on. All right, need to do the same thing with delta t. Equals click minus click, and update it down. Now to find velocity, I need delta x divided by delta t equals delta x divided by delta t. And update it down. I have now solved for velocity. Let's say, though, I want to graph my velocities. These are really average velocities rather than instantaneous. This velocity didn't really happen at second 1. This is the velocity from second 0 to second 1. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to find the average of 0 and 1, and that's going to be sort of kind of when the velocity was 1. So I'm going to hit equals, average, open parenthesis, and now I'm going to select 0 to 1. I just clicked and dragged a box around it. Close parenthesis, enter. Click and drag it down, and double check. 0 and 1, that's 0.5. Good. And down here, 9 to 10. Well, the difference between 9 and 10 is 9.5. Bam! I did it right. And then I can repeat that entire thing over again to find my acceleration. And that right there is how you can use a spreadsheet to make your life easier. Next video is going to be on how to do graphs.